It is Wednesday, June 30th, 2021. Last time I was in this hive was June 6th, and we had an ant problem that week, so let's see what's going on now. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Bees everywhere. My guess is they need some more frames, or they're just hanging out, cooling off. Hear the hive, see the hive. So I've got this frame here just to keep the divider board from falling. My guess is I need some more frames. All right, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I have 12 frames. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 12 frames plus the 13th one is over on the other side of the divider board. So let's see what's going on in this hive. They have propolized that divider board to frame number 12. Oh my. Frame 12 has got honey all the way down. This is a busy hive. There we go. Wow, this has got a lot of honey. This looks like it was, I have to look at my notes. Looks like this was maybe just a wired frame. Maybe had a starter strip. I gotta set it down, it's so heavy. There's the, is that the queen? Let's see here. The queen moves really quick sometimes. That's just a drone. Oh, are those all drones? I would be surprised if I found the queen over here, because this looks like this is mostly a honey frame. Those look like drones. I got some big boys. And small worker bees. Probably newly hatched. So it goes almost to the bottom. Yeah, I think those are all drones. Dream 12. This colony is definitely gonna get more frames. 3 right off the bat. I can hear the roar of the hive. Oh, it smells so good. Interestingly enough, I didn't smell that over on the Gnome Sweet Gnome Hive. I've got somebody not happy. I might just puff them down a little bit. Another super heavy hive, super heavy. Cream. All full of honey, a little bit of pollen. Oh, it smells so good. Totally full of honey. That's good. Yep, these are little girls. Big drones. That was frame 11. Oh, they're propolized. Frame 10. It's totally full of honey as well. Wow. Oh my god, this one's even more heavy. Heavier than the other one. So halfway, looks like there's nectar in there, halfway full of capped honey. Nice. Okay, I'm not gonna go in any further. I'm just here to make sure, see if they need frames, and they do. They totally do. Okay. I'm just gonna push you back together, girls. All right. So the OMB1 hive is cooking along. I just looked at the last few frames, which were pretty full with honey, which means the rest of the frames have got brood and all that going on as well. I added 3 more wired frames that just had a starter strip on the top of that wax foundation. And we'll check in a week or so and see how things are going. I'm gonna do some pollen pants cam, and then we're gonna sign off for today from OMB1.